Hi, I'm architect Manmeet Tuli.
Hi, I'm architect Harshpreet.
We have our office on the name of Tuli Architects and Engineers, and we are into practice from last 9 years. We are doing residential, commercial, as well as hospitality projects.
We are also into manufacturing of furniture, and we have our brand name in the name of Pond Studio. We are doing lots of projects on turnkey basis, and this particular project we're gonna talk about is one of our turnkey projects. Every project we undertake, we take it as a challenge, and we try to deliver the best we can on it.
So this particular project is a resort, and it is almost in 1 acre land. It is located near the international airport of Amritsar, and that's the reason it makes it easily reachable, and the guests who are coming into the city can easily approach the property.
The main entrance of the property with the reception area and two separate sitting spaces. We have proposed a lotus pond next to the reception. There's a passage which leads to the common pool area and also the rooms. We have enveloped the common pool area to maintain its privacy. We have proposed a big pool with a plunge pool and a wooden deck, which also connects to the dining area. This is a double-storied single-room villa with the outdoor staircase leading to the first floor villas, and we have placed the premium twin-room villas at the end of the passage. As we enter the single-room villa, there is a green belt which connects the entry to the rear deck. Then we enter the villa through the lobby, which has a pantry, a dining area for 3, and a separate sitting. Coming into the room, there is a nice upholstered bed with a hand textured back wall, a separate sitting, and a wooden console. The washroom has a shower cubicle and a basin placed on a wooden plank. We have proposed natural stones, wood, and mud plaster to give it a earthy feel. The rear deck is connected from the bedroom, which has a natural green and a jacuzzi. The privacy of the deck is maintained through a bamboo fencing.
So as we step in, we have a private garden at the entrance, and from there we go into the common lobby area. We have proposed a private sitting, a dining table, a fireplace, and there is a private kitchen. And then from this lobby we have connected both of the rooms. We have proposed luxurious washrooms which have open to air shower. It has a bathtub, and also it has 2 different cubicles, one with the shower and one with a WC. So coming back to the rooms, we have proposed luxurious rooms with all the possible amenities, and also it has a very strong visual connect with the pool area. Pool is surrounded with greenery from the 2 sides. There is a gazebo attached to the pool. We have tried to connect every part of the villa to the natural green landscape. And then there is open to air dining space which has a barbecue, a sitting, and also this area is very well connected with the shower cubicles. This passage connects the pool area with the main entrance of the villa. This project is almost at the stage of completion, and very soon we will take you to the tour of the completed project.
We hope that you liked the video and you found it informative.